Southpaw. Up top for Bangladesh. Dhananjay Lakshad, who just drags the ball back into the right-handers. He attacks the stop. Looking forward to this one. Who will play Pakistan in the final? Here we go. Don't swing. Looking forward to this. Ryan Campbell's alongside me in the hot seat, and Abhishek Chunjawala. Come on. Big game. Obviously, over the course of the first 2 days, these two teams have been absolutely outstanding. Sri Lanka in particular have really shown they're skillful with the bat, very skillful with the ball. It's going to be a cracking game of sixes cricket. What about this, Abhishek? What about this? What about this for a start? But are you excited for this game? Or really excited? Two really good sides.
And also when the tournament started, probably not many people would have thought they would be here. But phenomenal performance throughout the competition. It's a great start for Sri Lanka. Well, just looked away slightly after pitching, away from the man of Jushan. They've got to get going here, the Bangladesh team.
That'll be a wide. The last 4 matches have been one chasing, so just flipping it off in. The captain's eyes are an absolute mess right now. They don't know what to do.
It's a bit of a scramble, isn't it? It's one of those things. What do we have? 10 games or something in a row? The team batting first, and now it's sort of been five on the 10. You've got to execute your skills whichever way you go.
Well, nearly nicked off 3 in a row here. Six, outside edge, high and handsome. 6. Actually, what are you doing? Catch it!
She was a bit surprised there that the ball flown straight to her. They needed a stop.
Bangladesh finally getting one to an outside edge, and look at that. Well done, Nashi. Got away right in time. You do not take your eyes off the ball. Better, cleaner, further.
Well, it's interesting. The first 3 balls, 3 dots almost, he bowled out. And has to get realigned. And now we've seen 2 sixes. As soon as he has bowled straight on the stumps.
Yes, a good spot. I guess that's what coach should say. It was working. The wides are working. Yes, it's wide, but that's okay. The odd wide is fine. Inside edge should be cut off. Single. You just feel, Jens, the tension in the atmosphere, the crowd just going up as we head towards the final.
There's a lot of support for both teams, for Sri Lanka. Look at that support for Bangladesh as well. This is going to be an absolute cracker. It's a great atmosphere out here in Hong Kong. Electrifying.
Well, I reckon Bangladesh is one of the best places to play cricket for the atmosphere. The Sherry Bangla. When Bangladesh are on top, it's the loudest place in the world. Lovely pitch. Lovely little tennis fine leg. You can have all the sixes in the world. Hard to beat a leg side clip. 18 without loss. Semi-final number 2, Sri Lanka versus Bangladesh. These sides have played each other earlier in the tournament. Of course, Sri Lanka beating the Tigers. It's the Lions versus the Sri Lanka versus the Tigers. Beg your pardon.
hold their ball brilliantly. Just missing it.
Just enough of that blade for Jishan. Haven't quite timed it yet on the dish. They hit three over the rope, but they haven't quite got a touch just yet, Cambo.
You're right there. It's weird to say that because they're scoring so fast, but I just feel that maybe trying to overhit it and losing their shape a little bit, but it won't take long to find their mojo, I've no doubt.
They haven't got much pace to work with. The two Sri Lankan bowlers so far are medium pace, nothing more, and they're changing it up. So there's nothing really to use. That's why I thought Pakistan in the first semi-final, their bowling was outstanding. The Yorkers, their skill level was on another planet.
I felt there was maybe 2 dots in every over we saw.
Down the ground, that's much better.
That shows you how much you need to practice those Yorkers as well. We saw the Pakistani bowlers nailing pretty much every Yorker.
Yeah. Amarapul tried it twice.
2 local doctors and both on the park.
Again, another 6. That time length, the previous ball was a full toss. Drags the length back, but it was right in the hitting arc.
Didn't try and hit this too hard, that's for sure. Just got in a good position, nice flow of the bat. Half volleys go for 6 here.
Clock should be taken. It's taken. Inside edge. Feel they're in the correct position. Hookty in the deep. That's a really sound catch. A pressure catch.
Get a bit disappointed. That was there in the zone again.
Al-Mamoon out for 16. 38
For 1 Bangladesh.
Mohamed Saifuddin, wonderful cricketer. Very fine pace bowler, but a clean strike. He's having a good tournament. Oh, thick outside edge on the charge. It's going to be a boundary. 2 overs done. 42 for 1.
गाह्रो छुरी मेरो इलो एकपल्ट गाह्रो छुरी मरो बच्चा
Great atmosphere. Jishan Alam, son of the former Bangladesh international opener. Alam, rich in the family, as is the case in many parts of the world, really. Fathers and grandfathers passing down the love of the game. Willie ball left arm, or Willie ball right arm. Let's start with the left armers. Outside edge, a bit of a slice, but it goes all the way. Maybe you might have a look at a bit of off spin, right arm.
Yeah, change up. Unbelievable skill to have, by the way. But that length is just not going to work here. Good swing of the bat. Clears the rope by a long way.
Brilliant hit. Beautiful, clean, firm down the ground.
You cannot be bowling that length. You cannot be bowling that length. 564 sixes with that one in the competition. Yeah, keeps it quite simple. Jishan, nicely done. 5 sixes.
Just thinking back in the UK, Ben Kellaway from Glamorgan, both left arm and right arm, during COVID when he had nothing to do, learned the other skill set. Alan Wilkins, the president of Glamorgan, just about Ben Callaway. No timing. Can you get there? Can you get there? No, you can't stop it either. You must do one or the other.
I like it though. If there's half a chance to take a catch, to get a wicket for your team, you've got to give it everything. He just wasn't 100% committed. It was a tough one, and it goes for 4.
Oh, you got to watch it, Pete. The dentist kind of delivery that. You can lose your front mattress. All the way, there's a man who's deep. It's a miss hit. It's a poor ball, but look what it means to Ratnayaka. Huge throw. Massive wicket.
Massive wicket indeed. Tisham has been absolutely outstanding. 36 from just 11 balls, but he's gone. Got the half tracker. Couldn't get it over the rope. Bangladesh lose their second, 58 for 2.
Captain Yasser Ali, highly experienced. They were the Pullen Tigers, select strikers, the middle Warriors, and Chestergram challengers in the BPL. Now then, no timing. It's on the ground. What's happening out there? Ratnayaka with his little speakers doing serious damage. Proper damage. But the only way you can come back from this format or any format is by taking regular wickets, and they have done 2 in a row here. Quite a lot. They're going nicely up until the last couple of wickets. Went for the big shot. Straight up. Yasser Ali, the skipper, out for a duck. 3 down for 58. Ronnie, the cricketer. What's going on? What's going on? Is there a chance? No, it was a hat-trick ball. No defence here. 64 for 3. Well, Bangladesh, are you watching? You've lost 3. You've got 64 though. So, are you happy in Dhaka? You're in the Gulshan Club. Are you happy? Madhushankar. Nicely played. Nicely played. Missed in the deep. 3 wickets for Sri Lanka. Abhishek, they probably just on top here, Sri Lanka. Yeah, I think so.
In terms of runs, they're in a very good position here, Bangladesh, because there's 3 wickets. And a couple in the last over. They've really pushed Bangladesh back. They made a little comeback here. Again, couldn't get the gap on that occasion. And we'll see the wicket here again. Hassan Ali, the skipper. And a simple chance. Wanted to go straighter. Just about turning. Maybe a hint that the pitch isn't slowing down. I gotta say, that last over sums up the sixes. Sixes, wickets, everything. Every over and an event.
Very, very. I know Bangladesh have got 59, but Sri Lanka's bowling is superb. Because Cameron, they haven't got the raw pace, and they haven't got that mystery spin or wrist spin. So it's a workman-like attack. It's so effective.
think they're around that 110, 120. This could be a big total, given it's a semi-final. Sri Lanka will be under pressure when they come out and start. Nice change. That's a good change up. After 4, 3 down for 81.
Bangladesh plays Sri Lanka. Bangladesh have never reached the final of the Hong Kong Six. Sri Lanka have won the trophy in 2007. The winner will play Pakistan, who have humbled Australia. Very fine performance from Pakistan. It's going to be an all-Asian final. And I tell you what, they said 2,000 plus. We'll get more than 2,000 plus when they find out Pakistan are playing either Sri Lanka or Bangladesh. Sunday evening will be here, late afternoon. Oh, gorgeous. Now what's happening here? Batter pulling away, bowler pulling away. Get on with it, it's the sixth.
A little bit of by-play going on. I want them to hurry up because we don't want to be playing the final in the dark.
Yes, I've got 5 catches. I've only got 2 late in the night. Took it away leg side. Ratnayaka bowling. Right arm off spin. So the ambidextrous bowler just changing it up wide open. Picked up 2 with the left armers. Siphoned in those strike though.
I think it's all about the matchups in it nowadays. When the right-handers are on strike, he went left arm spin, and the moment you see a left-hander, he comes off spinners.
Matchups. I don't like that expression. Brian Campbell is the coach of the county in the UK term. He probably hears it all the time. I don't buy into that philosophy as much as a lot of analysts out there will tell you.
Yeah, something I get told a lot about. Matchups. So how about we just get our best bowler to bowl their best ball? A bit old-fashioned from my old age.
Now left arm orthodox, is it? It is. Should be taken. It is taken. Ratnayaka just ball left arm tweakers because you've got 3 for.
It's a big wicket. Taken 3 for the semi-final. That is a massive wicket. Bangladesh are going okay, but they keep losing wickets. It's an easy catch. Fight is gone. 86 for 4.
Sean Gandhi, the new man. I'll tell you what, he could play. What a wonderful shot that is. First ball. The only player in the history of Test cricket to get a Test century and a hat-trick in the same game.
Yeah, it's a big shot. And looking at that wicket again, just didn't go through with the shot, was just a chip straight to the fielder and long off. And after that, there was an unbelievable shot from Sohak, knowing it's the last wicket they're playing with.
Catches the call. Captain taken. The first bowler this season to take 4 wickets. Exceptional spell here from Ratnayaka with his left arm finger spin. He's got a chance to get a Michelle Pfeiffer.
Keeps taking wickets, keeps getting the job done for Sri Lanka. We asked, should he bowl right arm over, left arm over? We're not
it's all about Mohamed Saifuddin. Not taking a single.
I was going to say, he needs to still run. He's allowed to go back and face every ball, but you still want to take every run you can get. Somebody needs to tell him that even if he takes a single, he'll be back on strike again. I think he's forgotten that.
Take a single now, but it's been all about Ratnaika with his great spell, Camo.
Absolutely. 4 massive wickets. And remember, he got a hit for a couple of sixes the first 2 balls he faced. Kept his mental toughness, kept getting wickets. Fantastic performance for Sri Lanka. Leg boys, that's going to have help. Every run vital for Bangladesh. They're going to grab a couple there. 95. They've only got 3 balls remaining. Geez, they'd give anything for 18 of these last 3.
Yeah, that was the last wicket. That was Chandler. Correction.
And he's bowled really, really well.
4 wickets have really set Bangladesh back. Wonderful bowling from Ratnaika. Really is top class. Been a superb spell. Exceptional bowling. Just trying to get his attention to give him the old thumbs up. He's too focused. Such a professional. Over. Look away. The amount of times Bangladesh have found the fielders either on the grass or just mishitting been unbelievable.
Yeah, agreed. This innings is just been no flow about. I just wonder, are the conditions starting to change? Is the wicket just starting to show a little bit of wear and tear after 2 days on it?
The last ball here is the near boundary. Get over the 100, Bangladesh. Down the ground, 6 will be nice. 100 comes up. A good way to finish by Saifuddin. For Bangladesh is a hairy, scary kind of innings. 100